learning any other language rightly begins with the alphabets. So we're going to learn the ABC or the alphabets of Twi. But before we do that, check this out. Are you a Ghanaian born outside the country? Or not a Ghanaian, but wants to learn Twi to the native speakers level? Then you are at the right channel. Join me in Let's Learn Twi with Opoku. Come along. Welcome back. We start with a little background of the Twi alphabets. The Twi alphabet consists of 22 letters, 15 consonants, and 7 vowels. The Twi alphabets do not involve English letters like C, J, Q, V, X, and Z. Without much ado, let's start with the alphabets in Twi, and they are as follows: A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Very easy, isn't it? Let's take it once again. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Easy, isn't it? But it can be more easier when you arrange them or when you read them in what I call the rhythmic arrangement. And that is if it should go like this or if it should read like this. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. I hope now you got it. But if not, just keep on rehearsing a few more times, and very soon you'll be able to recite all of them fluently. Thanks for watching, and check my other videos for further studies. And note, this channel is designed to help people who want to learn Twi language from scratch to perfection. Once again, keep on learning Twi with Opoku.